A breeze of watermelon. Did you know that mint is good for your oral hygiene? Of course, you knew that. Now, how about that? It's a great immune booster. Not to mention, it can relieve indigestion, as well as decrease breastfeeding pain and improve cold symptoms. Improve brain function. That was like a wow. And it's just easy to add to your diet. Oh, and it's great for acne-free skin. So why don't you just grab yourself a couple of mint leaves, add them to whatever you're making, and soon enough, you'll be glowing inside out. Enjoy!